Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver on Oracle Linux. Open any web browser, then go to dbeaver.io. This is the official website for DBeaver. Hit enter. See here we have the two versions. Also see here DBeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developer, database administrators, analysts, and everyone working with the data. It supports popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache, and more. See here we have the two versions: DBeaver Community and DBeaver Pro. DBeaver Community is open source and free, and this is the commercial. So click on download DBeaver Community. We are on Oracle Linux, so we have to download the RPM package. Click on Linux RPM package. See, download has been started and its size is 118 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now install it by going to terminal, go to downloads, ls. See here we have the RPM package. So install it by running the command sudo rpm -ivh, then give the package name DBeaver RPM package. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. We have successfully installed DBeaver version number 24. Now go to activities, then click on show applications. See here we have the DBeaver C means community edition. Click on it. I don't want to create the sample database, so click on no. See, select your database. See here we have these popular databases. See here we have analytical time series, NoSQL and SQL. So select PostgreSQL and you have to click on next, otherwise cancel it, or you can click on this new database connection and select the database, then click on next. Here we have to provide host name, port number, and database name. I want to connect to R2 schools. You want to see all databases, you have to select show all databases. Then username Postgres, then provide the password of this user. Here we have to provide where the PostgreSQL is installed. Then click on test connection. Click on download the drivers. See, connected. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand it. Expand databases. See, I have this database. Right click, select SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now here we can perform the operations. Okay. In the same way, if you want to connect to MySQL, just click on this one, then select MySQL or MariDB, then or Oracle, then you have to provide the connection information. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver on Oracle Linux. Then we have seen how to connect to PostgreSQL or MySQL databases from the DBeaver. Okay. For more DB tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.